Okay, we're back to this Infiniti, and Billy is going to check the fluid for metal. Got this pan here. Well, ain't nothing came out. Nothing come out of here. You see, ain't nothing inside. It like disappeared. Let's see something here. I see here where it looks kind of wet right there. So there was no oil at all. No oil came out of this transfer case, so no wonder it's been skipping and messed up and everything else. But I don't know where the oil went. It don't look like it just been running on the exhaust. So